Hi, I'm Brittany, Architect Sales Manager at Stern Engineering.
And I'm Nicole Clark, Architectural Sales Manager at Stern Engineering as well.
Today, I'm really excited to be joined by Nicole, Architect Sales Manager for the North Central Market. Today, Nicole is going to be discussing our great case study at JFK Airport, Terminal 8. So I'm going to let Nicole go into a little bit more details about this project.
Yes, absolutely. So JFK Terminal 8 underwent a major remodel, and we worked hand in hand with the architect to come up with a great solution for their men and women's restrooms. So they decided to go with our tubular duo, the soap dispenser and faucet, in our wall mount option, the tubular. That is also available as a tubular trio if you wanted to also add in that hand dryer to up your lead points and increase your sustainability.
Absolutely. I'm sure, and I have to say the trio definitely takes it to the next level, but the project looked gorgeous. And
yes.
we're going to be showing obviously photos of this project as well. Nicole, thank you so much for this great information. And for anyone who has more questions or needs specific info for their project, you can send a message to our LinkedIn or send us an email to our contact information below. Let us know how we did and if you like this style of content. Thank you everyone for joining us today at Sleek with Stern.